Vasari Carrera is a traditional color-integrated wall plaster made of lime, powdered marble, crushed limestone, and natural pigments. Carrera is our low sheen finish with subtle variation of color and more thickness and body. It can be troweled smooth or with a heavier texture. It's used on walls and ceilings, on interiors, exteriors, and showers, on residential and commercial projects. It's a natural living finish that's been used for thousands of years throughout the world in prestigious architectural works. It's beautiful, long-lasting, antimicrobial, colors are luminescent, it's UV resistant, has zero volatile organic compounds, and has unmatched long-term environmental benefits. Carrera is easy to apply, easy to maintain, and lasts a lifetime. It's versatile in application styles and colors. It can be mixed to almost any hue, or it can be applied in an untinted, beautiful white. It becomes more durable over time and creates a healthy, enriching space that can be enjoyed for generations. Make sure your walls are relatively smooth before application. A level 2 or 3 drywall finish is ideal. Always use primer on new drywall or gypsum surfaces. It will also adhere to most water-based coatings, such as conventional primer and latex paint. Carrera plaster is ideally applied with Vasari mineral primer. It can be used on new drywall, gypsum, cement, concrete, latex paint, stone, and more. Carrera is usually applied in 2 coats. Apply the first coat of Carrera plaster so that it completely covers your substrate. As the first coat begins to dry, you can trowel down any unwanted texture to create a smoother surface to receive the second coat. Before applying the second coat, wait at least 24 to 48 hours for the first coat to completely dry, or until there are no more visible wet areas. Lime plaster dries much lighter than when it's wet. The final coat of Carrera plaster should be applied in 1 or 2 thin passes. The first trowel strokes of plaster will start to dry within a few minutes, absorbing into your first coat. As it sets up and is no longer sticky or wet to the touch, you can apply more thin passes, creating variation of color, smoothness, or texture if desired. It can be applied with soft color variation, minimal texture, and zero sheen, or it can be trowel burnished to a slightly higher luster. Carrera can also be troweled with a heavier texture or linear movement with the right tools. Once you are satisfied with the balance and movement, you can compress or burnish the plaster. Burnishing will create more movement or depth of color and will give you a higher sheen if desired. Likewise, a light compression will create a more understated and subtle finish. Nail holes, scratches, and blemishes are easily repairable. Dirt and scuffs can be scrubbed off with water. Solvents like lacquer thinner can be used for more stubborn stains. Carrera can also be applied in showers. It can be sealed with our natural sealers. This traditional shower system is often referred to as Tadelakt. Carrera plaster can also be sprayed and back-troweled for more efficiency with the right equipment. Carrera can also be used on exteriors. Sealers might be required for more exposed areas. You can also apply it in combination with our plasters and lime paint, giving you endless creative possibilities of textures and colors. Consult our website and instructional videos for more information. Enjoy!